Integrating JFrog Artifactory with Azure DevOps enables efficient artifact management and streamlined CI/CD pipelines. Here's a step-by-step guide. Set up JFrog Artifactory. Ensure JFrog Artifactory is installed and configured with the necessary repositories. Configure user permissions and access control in JFrog Artifactory for seamless integration. Install JFrog plugin for Azure DevOps. Navigate to your Azure DevOps project and go to Extensions Marketplace. Search for JFrog Artifactory and install the plugin. This provides integration capabilities between Azure DevOps and JFrog Artifactory. Configure JFrog Artifactory in Azure DevOps. After installation, go to Project Settings, Services Connections, Add Service Connection. Select JFrog Artifactory and configure the connection. Provide a name for the connection. Enter the URL of your JFrog Artifactory instance. Use a personal access token or API key to authenticate. Set up pipeline with JFrog Artifactory. Create a new Azure DevOps pipeline or edit an existing one. Add steps to upload and retrieve artifacts from JFrog Artifactory. Deploy artifacts to JFrog Artifactory. In the pipeline, configure steps to deploy artifacts to JFrog Artifactory using the specified repository and connection. Monitor and test. After integrating, monitor the pipeline executions to ensure artifacts are successfully uploaded or retrieved from JFrog Artifactory.